Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make Twitter account private. So if you want to make your Twitter account private, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Twitter mobile application. Once you will open it, on the left top you will see profile icon, so you have to click on it. And now from here you have to click on the settings and the privacy. Here you will see different options. From here you have to click on the privacy and the safety. Once you will click on it, here you will see different options. So first of all, you have to click on the audience and the tagging. Turn on this toggle like this and select the photo tagging and click on off. Once you will do it, now go back, you click on the your tweet, mark your media maybe sensitive, turn on it like this. So direct messages, click on it and turn off these toggle like this to make your Twitter account private. So this is the procedure to make your Twitter account private. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.